Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Audi A3 is a compact luxury car that blends style, performance, and technology in a sleek, modern package. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a premium driving experience without the size and expense of larger luxury vehicles. The Audi A3 features a sharp, athletic exterior with a prominent front grille, sleek LED headlights, and bold lines that convey a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The overall design is elegant yet sporty, making it stand out in the compact luxury segment. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Audi A3 boasts a high-quality cabin with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The interior is both functional and luxurious, featuring advanced infotainment system. The MMI-registered touch display with a 10.1-inch screen offers intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Virtual Cockpit. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus presents essential driving information on a customizable 12.3-inch digital display. Comfortable seating. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort and are available with leather upholstery and power adjustments. Performance and handling. The Audi A3 offers a range of engines, ensuring a balance between performance and efficiency. Engine options. Depending on the market, the A3 is available with various engine choices, including turbocharged gasoline and diesel options, as well as a plug-in hybrid variant. Quattro-registered all-wheel drive. Audi's renowned Quattro-registered all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, enhancing the driving experience in various road conditions. Sporty handling. The A3's precise steering and well-tuned suspension deliver a responsive and engaging driving experience. Technology and safety. The Audi A3 is packed with cutting-edge technology and safety features. Driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and traffic jam assist make driving safer and more convenient. Audi Pre-Sense registered. This system can detect potential collisions and initiate preventive measures to protect occupants. Connectivity. The Audi A3 supports Apple CarPlay registered and Android Auto trademark, allowing seamless integration of smartphones for music, navigation, and more. Fuel efficiency. The Audi A3's efficient engine options and advanced aerodynamics contribute to impressive fuel economy figures, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Variants and pricing. The Audi A3 is available in several trims and configurations, catering to different preferences and budgets. Pricing varies depending on the market and selected options, but it typically starts in the mid-30,000 range. The Audi A3 is a versatile and stylish compact luxury car that offers a perfect blend of performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, the A3 provides a premium driving experience that's hard to match in its segment. For a more in-depth look, be sure to check out our video where we explore the Audi A3 in detail, including a test drive and a closer look at its features. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.